And as an English teacher, the third point I've always stressed on, when we write paragraph, we always know that the first sentence is your topic sentence, and the second, third, fourth follows that, the pros and cons of that topic sentence, and the end with the conclusive sentences. So what happens is that when the user, they write that whatever they want to write, and the points they want to write, and they give it to the AI chatbot makes separate paragraphs of those points. So and in each paragraph, the conclusive sentence is there, the first introductory sentence is there. So it's very easy to detect, because even in the Bacon essays, they have 2 points in one sentence, 3 points in one sentence. So no, human beings do not do that. Our brain does not do that. So it's very easy to detect. So if you're using any chatbot, keep into mind, always erase that ending conclusive sentence, because it makes it very mechanical. The reading is very mechanical. You lost that interest a reader should have in the writing, because everything is concluding, and then again at the end of the whole thing, the whole thing is again conclusive. So what happens is that although you write your points, and if a point is similar to a next point, you can compile it into a sentence, and to have that continuity, and ending sentences, omit those ending sentences and make a separate and conclusive paragraph of those ending sentences, and trust me, you'll have that winning writing, and it will be it will give you the feel of a human generated content. And